Hi everyone, welcome to Study with Akshay, and this is Akshay. In this particular video, we are going to continue with the example numericals set 3. So whatever questions I have done in this video particularly is not much important as per examination point of view, because these numericals comes from using trigonometric tables, natural sine, natural cot, natural cosine, natural tangents. From these tables, we will be finding out the values and we will be writing. Since this is a tedious process, most of them won't prepare questions based on this. Question paper preparation will be based on different topics. This is at the last preference. So before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get regular notification. Let's get started. Questions will be like this. Find the sine of 36 degrees 51 minutes. I have explained how to write minutes and degrees and how many minutes equals how many degrees, everything in the introductory video of trigonometry. So you people can go through that video and then come back to this to make the concepts more clear. So in your natural science table, when you see the first column will be degrees, next column will be 0 minutes, and when you move on towards right, you will get 48 minutes, which is closer to 51 minutes. You can see 36 degrees at 0 minutes, it's 0.5878. At 48 minutes, it's 0.5990. So which one is closer? 48 is closer to 51. So henceforth, we will take 48. And how much should be added? How many minutes should be added? Will be over here. Each minute difference which will be given over here in these columns will be 5. Those 5 differences are called as mean differences, which will be given at the end right side of your natural science, natural cosine and natural tangent table. So you can look at that and you can see corresponding to mean difference 3, you will be having column number 3. Corresponding to that, when you move towards the bottom and towards the right of the 36, you will be getting 7 as below the column of 3 as the mean difference. So next, we know sine 36 degree 48 minutes is 0.5990, and sine 3 minutes is 0.0007. It is basically, I've just written as 7 in this place, decimal place. Okay, so basically sine and tan, as I have told, both of them are increasing values. Their value keeps on increasing, whereas cos decreases. So in that case, both of them increases, right? So you will be adding up on both the sides. So when you add up, you will be ending up in getting sine 36 degrees 51 minutes, which is equal to 0.5997. Okay. Next, tan 53 degrees 38 minutes. So we will move ahead with natural tangents table. Over there, if we check, under the degrees column 53 degrees and under the minutes column 36 minutes, because 36 is closer to the 38 minutes. So 36 minutes. How many minutes should be added? 2 minutes should be added. So let's see 2 minutes over here. And then what is the mean difference? Under 2 minutes, it is 16 for 53 degrees. So tan 53 degrees 36 minutes is 1.3564. You can see over here. And then tan 2 minutes is nothing but 0.0016, right? Then both tan and sine, as I have told, they increases. So we will be adding up their values over here. Upon adding up, we will be getting 53 degrees 38 minutes tan of this will be 1.3580. Next question. Cosine, cos value of this. Degrees are given as 62 degrees. And then 27 minutes they are expecting, but closer to that we have 24 minutes. So corresponding value for 62 degrees 24 minutes is 0.463033, and 3 minutes should be added. So let's check on to the mean difference column. When we correspond the value for 3 minutes, we will be getting 0.0008. Same thing I have written over here. So we know cos is a decreasing value. Cos has a decreasing curve. So henceforth, when you're adding up the degrees or the minutes, the values will get decreases. So the value of cos 62 degrees 27 minutes is 0.4625. Henceforth, this is how we use natural sine, natural tan and natural cos tables to find the values of non-standard angles. Now let's find the angle if the value is given. So I have taken the table, and you people might be already knowing since I have displayed the degrees as 35 degrees over here. So under 35 degrees, corresponding value will be 35 degrees 24 minutes. We will get the value as 0.5793. Since it is sine, both gets added up. So we require 5 more. When we correspond to the mean difference 2, we will be getting value as 0.0005, which is our mean difference. So hence, when you add up them, we will be getting the value 0.5798. So sine 35 degrees 26 minutes is so much. So the theta will be, theta will be 35 degrees 26 minutes. Right. Sine theta is sine 35 degrees 26 minutes. So theta will be 35 degrees 26 minutes. First question, cos of this angle. So 63 degrees, when you correspond to that, we will be getting somewhere around 0.4446 we will be getting. So if we had 4 minutes, we will be getting at 0.4456, point 1, which is closer, we will see 5 minutes or 4 minutes, we will see which is closer. 4 minutes we will get the closer value, so we will be ending up in taking the value which we get it for 4 minutes. So we will be taking it as 0.011 only we will take instead of 10 in order to make our convenience. You can see over here I have subtracted 4 degrees in order to add over here. So when you decrease the angle, the value increases. The value of the angle increases for cos. Therefore, theta is how much? The 63 degrees 32 minutes. You can see over here I have written for this question. Next. Second question is in the form of tan. Tan of which angle will give us 0.8516. Tan 40 degrees 24 minutes corresponds to 0.8511. With a mean difference of 1, we will be getting 0.0005. So when we add up them, tan 40 degrees 25 minutes, we will be getting it as 0.8516, which is the expected value for tan theta. So theta will be 40 degrees 25 minutes. Hope you have all understood the concept. Start with the example numericals. We will be coming with the next video with the exercise questions. Exercise 21A, set 1. Since we have so many questions in that exercise, we will be taking it by part. We'll complete it. Have a nice day. Thank you. If you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please do share this video. Stay home, stay safe.